Hello guys, I am Shubham from Show Tutorials. Joint CSIR UGC NET exam is changed to Joint CSIR UGC DBT JRF NET exam. Okay, very long name, right? So basically CSIR and DBT JRF exams are merged now. दोनों एग्जाम्स मर्ज हुए हैं, तो सेपरेट एग्जाम्स नहीं होंगे, एक ही एग्जाम होगा. Okay, this will be applied from December 2026 cycle, right? So before we start with the video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out. This is absolutely free from your side, but it will help us grow. So let's see the official notification. This is the official website of CSI UGC.net, and you will see the notification, introduction of joint CSIR UGC NET examination. I'm opening that. To be implemented from December 2026 cycle, background concerns and clarification. तो इसका प्रपोजल दिया गया था बेसिकली टू मर्ज दिस एग्जाम, एंड सिलेबस भी उसमें मेंशन किया है, एग्जैक्ट सिलेबस. So I will be coming up with the syllabus video also. Okay, so this is just about the notification. See, CSIR NET Life Sciences exam. Okay, CSIR NET Life Sciences exam and DBT BET, that is a biotechnology exam, will be merged. Okay, along with syllabus to establish a single unified national level eligibility examination, right, for JRF, Junior Research Fellowship, as well as lecturership in the biological sciences field. Okay, so this will be coming into effect from December 2026 examination cycle. Okay, तो जून 2026 में एग्जाम होगा, वो नॉर्मल होगा as it was conducted in 2025. This DBT JRF and merging exactly will be effective from December 2026 cycle. So what they have written is primary objective of this integration is to streamline the national examination framework, eliminate redundancy in testing, and create a cohesive and efficient assessment system that reflects the increasingly interdisciplinary nature of contemporary biological research and development. Okay, so देखा जाए तो DBT and CSIR ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर एग्जाम्स है, राइट? अलग अलग प्रिपरेशंस करना पड़ता था, राइट? देन JRF सीट्स भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होते थे, right, as well as exam separate. So now this is just to integrate those, okay, for the proper assessment as they have written, right? So for students also it will be like easy, separate exams को fee भरना as well as preparation करना, right? It is time consuming, so it is better that single exam होगा and you can focus on single exam. But let's see what about seats they are talking now. During the initial rounds of discussion and stakeholder consultations, students and aspirants highlighted several key concerns. Okay, so what are the concerns by aspirants which had been carefully examined to ensure a smooth and equitable transitions to the unified examination system? So these are the major concerns. Let's see. Reduction in total number of seats. Okay, so reduction hoga as per students. It was apprehended, expressed that merger may lead to possible reduction in the total number of fellowships available, thereby limiting opportunities for eligible candidates. मतलब मर्जिंग के वजह से सीट्स रेड्यूस होंगे, ये कंसर्न था स्टूडेंट्स का. सेकंड कंसर्न इज इंक्रीज्ड एकेडमिक कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी फॉर लाइफ साइंस स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, लाइफ साइंस स्टूडेंट्स एकेडमिक कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बढ़ जाएगी. So students from traditional life sciences background express concern that inclusion of biotechnology related topics could increase the difficulty level. Right? मतलब ये concern था students का, difficulty level increase होगा because of adding the biotechnology subjects and potentially affect their performance. So life sciences core students can get affected by this. ये concern है. Third is increased competition for biotechnology students. Right, biotechnology students का competition increase होगा, ये तीसरा concern. Students from biotechnology background raised concern that the larger candidate pool, including life sciences students, could intensify or increase the level of competition. तो competition increase होगा, ये बायोटेक्नोलॉजी स्टूडेंट्स का कंसर्न है. तो इस पर क्लैरिफिकेशन दिया है. आफ्टर careful consideration, clarification and measures are hereby placed on record. So what are those? Basically, no impact on the number of seats. Okay, seats पर कोई भी impact नहीं होगा इससे. So it is hereby clarified that there should be no impact on the total number of fellowship. Okay, fellowship में जो नंबर है उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होगा आफ्टर द मर्जिंग. राइट, CSIR एंड DBT दोनों JRF फेलोशिप्स देंगे एज पर प्रेजेंट प्रोसेस. सी, ओके, ओनली द सिलेक्शन विल बी थ्रू कॉमन एग्जाम. मतलब सिलेक्शन कॉमन एग्जाम के थ्रू होगा, बाकी फेलोशिप CSIR एज वेल एज DBT दोनों एज पर प्रेजेंट कंडीशन ही देंगे. सेकेंड पॉइंट, बैलेंस्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर डिजाइन. ओके, सो जो मर्ज एग्जाम है will feature adequate optional questions. Right, optional questions होंगे covering both traditional life sciences and biotechnology domains. Okay, दोनों domains को combine किया है with optional questions. The examination pattern will ensure equal opportunity for candidates from diverse academic background to attempt adequate number of questions from their respective areas of expertise. Right, मतलब जो स्पेशलाइजेशन है स्टूडेंट्स का, उसके हिसाब से क्वेश्चंस सिलेक्ट करना एंड प्रिपेयर करना. राइट, first preparation according to the specialization and then a question paper solving using that specialization. ऐसे कर सकते हैं. Right, so there will be optional questions. So as we will see exact things coming forward, we will get the idea, more idea on this. Third point is fair and inclusive examination. Evaluation. The question paper and evaluation process will be designed to assess conceptual understanding, analytical ability and research aptitude in fundamental broader concepts. Right, so ये assess करना है conceptual understanding, analytical ability and research aptitude rather than narrow and specialized subject knowledge. Specialized subject knowledge को analysis नहीं करेंगे. On the broader scale, they will assess concepts, how concepts will be applied in the questions, basically. That is analytical ability. As well as research aptitude means how the concepts are to be applied to make the research. fruitful, right? That will be seen, that will be assessed. Additionally, this new pattern will ensure a fair and inclusive assessment framework for all candidates, reducing redundancy in the examination process. So as they are mentioning fair and inclusive assessment, so there will be a reduction of redundancy in the examination process. So examination process को smooth करना है basically by merging this as per a CSIR notification. तो बाकी सेम ही है, like ये जो एग्जाम है CSIR, UGC, DBT, JRF, NET, qualified candidates of biotechnology will also be eligible for all three categories. Category 1, award of JRF and appointment as assistant professor. Category 2, appointment as assistant professor and admission to PhD. Right, no JRF. And category 3 is admission to PhD only. As per guidelines, unlikely previously in the case of DBT BET. Okay, DBT BET में category 1 and category 2 था पहले. Category 1 JRF fellowship देता था and category 2 project based था, project working. तो basically अभी ये combine होगा CSR के साथ. So there will be 3 categories, 1, 2 and 3. So 1 will be getting the JRF, 2 will be getting professor, assistant professor and admission to PhD. जो category 3 है इसमें सिर्फ admission to PhD, right? In universities you can take, but no JRF, no fellowship and no assistant professor. So this merger of CSIR NET and DBT BET examination is a unique step towards creating a unified, means single and efficient system for evaluating research aptitude necessitated by the dynamic growth of interdisciplinary research in biological sciences. So biological sciences अभी scope तो increase हो रहा है for as a interdisciplinary research field, right? With the above measures in place, the interest of all stakeholders, students, researchers and academic institutions will be safeguarded, while simultaneously promoting interdisciplinary and fostering excellence for a pool of new generation researchers. Okay, so basically this is an official notification of CSIR. According to me, स्टूडेंट्स को स्ट्रेस रहता है अलग अलग एग्जाम्स प्रिपेयर करने का. CSIR क्वालिफाई नहीं होता तो DBT नहीं तो ICMR. So at least these two exams, CSIR and DBT, are merged. No separate exams, only single exam. If you properly prepare well and go select questions properly, then the chance of selection maximizes. Okay, so basically we should focus on the pros only as per my thinking. As our channel currently is having molecular biology, genetics, both of these are completed and both of these subjects are very important for both these exams, right? CSIR as well as DBT. Along with this, molecular biology के PYQs भी चल रहे हैं, जेनेटिक्स के PYQs हमने कंप्लीट किए हैं. तो यू विल सी द कोर्स सेक्शन, जिसमें हमने जो कंप्लीट हुआ है पूरा हमारा वो कोर्सेस में दिखेगा, राइट? एंड जो अभी करंटली ऑन गोइंग है दैट इज सेल बायोलॉजी, बायोकेमिस्ट्री right? ये ongoing है. Along with this, DBT JRF PYQs also we are seeing. तो PYQs को सॉल्व करना ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, कॉन्सेप्ट्स तो हम बहुत पढ़ते हैं, बट how to apply them in question, that is very important, right? So that's why this PYQ series is very important. CSIR, DBT as well as GATE PYQs you will find Excel and BT. Got it? So as I have qualified a CSIR net with a rank of 131 and DBT JRF with category 2 as well as GATE BT examination, I will help you in this preparation of this umbrella of exams and get you a selection. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.